In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications in Notion Calendar. If you want your event reminders to arrive right when you need them, the most important thing to do first is enable Notion's general notification settings. Notion Calendar uses the same notification system as the Notion app, so turning these on ensures your reminders can actually reach you. Start by opening Notion on your desktop or your phone. We'll begin with the desktop path. In the desktop app, look for your profile icon, then click it to open Settings. Inside Settings, find the Notifications section. This is where you control how Notion sends alerts. You'll see options for desktop push notifications and email notifications. Turn on desktop push notifications so reminder alerts can appear as banners on your computer, even if the app is in the background. Then enable email notifications as well. Email is helpful when you're away from your devices or prefer a written record of reminders in your inbox, and it provides a reliable fallback if you miss a push alert. Now let's do the same on mobile. Open the Notion app on your phone, tap the menu icon, then tap the gear icon to open Settings. Go to My Notifications. Here, toggle on Mobile Push Notifications. With this enabled, Notion can send you a standard push alert on your phone the moment a reminder triggers. This is especially useful if you depend on your phone for time-sensitive updates throughout the day. Turning on all three, mobile push, desktop push, and email, gives you the most consistent coverage. It means you'll get a nudge whether you're at your desk, on the go, or away from your devices. If you prefer fewer alerts, you can still choose just the channels that fit your routine, but make sure at least one is enabled so your events in Notion Calendar can notify you as intended. Once these settings are active, Notion is allowed to send alerts when reminders are triggered for events you've scheduled. That's the key connection. Notion Calendar relies on these notification permissions to deliver your reminders. With the switches turned on, reminders you set on events will surface as push notifications on desktop and mobile, and as emails when applicable. That's all you need to do to enable Notion notifications for your calendar reminders. Open Notion, head to Settings, go to Notifications or My Notifications, and turn on Mobile Push, Desktop Push, and Email Notifications. With that in place, your Notion Calendar reminders will have a clear path to reach you right on time.